Much better. What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be testing out this brand new Hero 7. We're shooting a bunch of stuff at it. So let's see how good it catches the sparks as we shear off the top of this. Now these are Takata. Well, I don't know if they're real. I guess you guys in the comment section tell me. But Takata toe straps. We're not going to use them to tow. One, because I don't trust tow straps. Whatever. And two, because the door handles in this car suck. So I already pulled off this door card, and sprayed whatever we're going to be looking at be black. It's just a little quick install. You know, after a few, I'll make it look perfect after. Yeah, so we're gonna be using these for the door handles and one for the manual trunk release that I'll be making. So I decided to switch it out from electronic to manual because when the car is off, I would like to be able to pop the trunk, or the battery's dead, I would like to be able to pop the trunk. So yeah, so now let's get the cut. I'll lock this in the vice grip and see how good this thing records. Alright, not bad. Got a little scratch there, but yeah, we out. Alright, so let me try to explain the method behind my magnets on why I want to remove the factory trunk release, I guess. Well, it's electric and the button's gone. So I removed it a long time ago because it didn't work. And I'm not gonna go buy a freaking new motor from Porsche and spend that much money just to open my trunk. So what I did was I took the gas release cable, because it's shorter. This is a coupe and that's a 4-door. And I bought one of them little, I guess you could say like wire connectors or whatever. And after that I soldered the other side. Like how it works is you screw in one side and it's supposed to it will hold it, but I didn't feel safe even though I'm not hulking this thing. So that's what it looks like. I said that's the bigger version on this. So essentially take this and I'm gonna screw this out for you. Screw the wire, or you push the wire in here, and then you put this little screw in there and screw it in, and it will hold it with these two together. I then soldered the other half, just filled it with a bunch of solder, and then cut off the end of the bolt, so now it looks completely flush. So now this will pull that side, and then on the other side, I'm going to drill a hole inside the little Takata straps and drill this in, and then do the same thing and fill it in with solder. So it should be easy. Cool. Now that I got all 3 holes drilled in, I ran out to this with a grinder. I'm gonna tape it up, spray with a little bit of black just so I don't get the rust on these things. So this one got the scratches. Let's see, already wants to go rusty orange. So I'm getting ready to just spray the little tips a little black. So I tape them up like that. Obviously I can't take the whole shit off. So And just like that, it's on. That actually looks really nice. When it gets dirty, I can just unhook it and clean it. Maybe I can unscrew this again. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Cool. Alright, let's test it out. Oh wow. Once again, need some tweaking. Wait. Wow. Okay. So, error on my part. But damn, that looks good. Boom. So you basically pull it until you hit a click. The same way with the other door. Pull it till you, pull it till you hit a click. Same shit with this. Oops. But this is gonna take some getting used to. Wow. Boom. Interesting. It'll be alright. All for the looks. Alright. Do the other one, but I want to get started on the trunk release. So, got the drill. We're gonna do some self-tapping screws, and this part of the metal, it's gonna be like this essentially. Alright. So yeah, mount that there. Should be pretty easy. Bend up that little tab right there, and then fit the wire in, and then do the same for the trunk. Nice. Alright, get somewhere. Alright, now for the trunk. So you got one of these, we explained it before. Unscrew this shit. And use the big one. Okay, let's use the big one because I don't want it hanging out too much with the doors. I'd rather have the doors looking better than this one. That, put this through, and we're gonna melt solder inside here. That's how you know you did a good job. And you try to unscrew it because it's a flathead, so you guys can see. Oops, you guys can't see. Alright, as you guys can see, it's a flathead. And you try to unscrew it. Obviously I need two hands, but I'm trying to unscrew it. It won't come off, which means the solder is completely dumped and filled in here. Now I'm going to shear off this bolt and make everything look nice and flush. This is not coming off. Even if you hold it with your life. Well, maybe it will, but ain't nobody pulling it that hard anyway. Right, so ran it through here, ran it through up in there. Should be enough to pull, and I hooked it in right in here. So I get the maximum amount of pulls. Now I need to mount this right here. Make my marks and make sure that it's always being pulled. That should be easy. Well, that's not gonna hold. Well, not the best, but a little grinding and paint will make the welder you win. So, not worry about that. While we wait for that to cool down, start on this door. Alright, while we wait for that to dry, let's get back to the trunk. Alright, so after a bunch of struggling and cursing, I finally got this hook to go over here, which will then in turn pull the whole thing like that. Alright. Still locks. Alright. So let's see what happens when we pull this. Now it's not going to pop open, which kinda defeats the purpose of this trunk at least. But it will help if somebody's back there saying, hey, open the trunk. And I go like this, and it opens the trunk, which it did move it. I don't know if you guys can catch that. Yep, it did move it. So yeah, it is a success, but it's not one of those fancy trunks where you pull it and it goes pop open. So somebody's back there. When I get somebody to help me, I can test to see if it works and see how hard I actually have to pull this bitch. Cause I can pull it pretty hard. That's pretty cool. So it's not bad. You have to take all this off when it comes time to paint. But I'm glad I got this out of the way now. This door should be dry after all that time. Let's see. Yep. Nice and dry, still a little bit wet, but alright, so flip this over, pull like that. See? You guys can see that? Probably make it do well, make the door wiggle, but yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna spray another coat, make sure we get it nice and blacked up, and then we can put this door back on. Door card back on. Alright, so I basically got this side on. Just gonna wait for this to dry a little bit. Let's do what's wrong with it. But that's basically the end of this episode. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Never forget, never stop modifying.